Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of rates and unit analysis. We'll explore how these concepts help us in everyday problem solving. We will specifically focus on miles per hour, cost per item, and dimensional analysis. So, what exactly are rates? A rate is essentially a comparison between two different quantities. The key thing to remember is that the second quantity cannot be zero. Mathematically, we express it as rate equals quantity A divided by quantity B. Let's look at some common examples of rates. One is speed, often expressed as miles per hour. For instance, 60 miles per 1 hour is a rate. Another example is price, like cost per item. If $12 buys 4 apples, then the rate is $3 per apple. Now, let's talk about unit analysis, also known as dimensional analysis. This is a method for converting between different units of measurement. The main idea is that we multiply by conversion factors. This allows us to cancel out the units we don't want and end up with the units we need. Here's an example of how unit analysis works. Suppose we want to convert 60 miles per hour to feet per second. We start with 60 miles per hour. Then we multiply by 5,280 feet per mile because that's how many feet are in a mile. Finally, we multiply by 1 hour per 3,600 seconds. This is because there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. After canceling out the units, we find that 60 miles per hour is equal to 88 feet per second. Let's outline the step-by-step process for unit analysis. First, identify the units you have and the units you need. Second, set up the conversion by writing conversion factors to cancel out the unwanted units. Third, multiply across the numerators and denominators. Finally, simplify by canceling units and calculating the final answer. Let's try a practice problem. A car travels 150 miles in 2.5 hours. What is the speed in kilometers per hour? First, we calculate the speed in miles per hour. 150 miles divided by 2.5 hours, which equals 60 miles per hour. Then we convert miles per hour to kilometers per hour by multiplying 60 miles per hour by 1.609 kilometers per mile. The result is 96.54 kilometers per hour. To wrap things up, here are the key takeaways. Rates compare two different quantities and help us solve real-world problems. Unit analysis is a method used to convert between units by canceling unwanted dimensions. These tools are valuable for simplifying calculations and understanding the world around us. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.